Hey guys, welcome back to a new tutorial video. In this video I will show you how to edit focus color and blue filter on your image using Lightroom Mobile and your videos using Premiere Pro. There are some example photos before and after using this filter. So guys, without wasting your time, let's jump to the tutorial. First go to Light, bring the exposure plus 0.48, bring the contrast plus 31, highlights minus 64, shadows plus 14, whites minus 20, blacks plus 36. Go to curve, follow these settings. And go to color. Bring the vibrance plus 57. Saturation minus 17. Go to color mix. First go to red color and bring the hue plus 30, luminance plus 31. Next go to orange, bring the hue minus 10. Saturation minus 44. Luminance plus 31. Go to yellow, bring the hue minus 10, saturation minus 96, luminance plus 31. Next go to green, bring the hue plus 40, saturation minus 100, luminance minus 31. Go to sky blue, bring the saturation minus 100, luminance plus 31. Next go to blue, bring the saturation plus 27, luminance plus 31. Go to purple, bring the saturation minus 100, luminance plus 31. Next go to pink, bring the saturation minus 100, luminance plus 31. And done. Next go to effects, bring the clarity plus 45. And done. Now go to details, noise reduction plus 19. Color noise reduction plus 17. And done. Now your pic is ready to upload. Now let's try to copy this preset and pass to another picture. Copy settings and paste it. If you like this preset, you can also download this preset from the description. And thanks for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe iSnap for more photography tutorial. See you next time. Have a great day.